My body was in serious pain. Some days I could hardly stand, I couldn't walk. I was very ill. I was told I've been given as little as 6 months to live. The only emotion was absolute pure devastation. If I wasn't a mum, I think I would have taken it gracefully. Being a solo parent of a 2-year-old, I knew I couldn't take cancer without a fight. And I will do whatever I can and whatever I need to do to ensure that I'm standing by my little girl in a very long time to come. Before I even left the medical room, I said, this will be the biggest fight of my life, and I meant it.
Okay.
Yep, got you.
Okay. Well, good. Thank you for joining me. What I'd like to do is invite you to really just start to share your story, to start where you feel comfortable, and we'll go from there.
3 weeks feels a very long time to be away from family, but realistically, 3 weeks is just for you to recuperate. You can take a boat out, you can go adventuring, looking at Mayan ruins if you wanted to, or just lay by the pool. It's a beautiful part of Mexico. I am Kate, I'm from Australia, from the Gold Coast. I was diagnosed exactly 4 weeks ago today with lung cancer. I am told I'm terminally ill. I have as little as 6 months to live.
I hadn't been feeling particularly well for a few months, a few aches and pains in my body. I'd coughed a bit of blood. My real problem was my feet. For some reason, they started seizing up. I had problems even getting out of bed. I couldn't carry my daughter Annabelle. It was horrible. My first thought went to my little girl. She needs her mummy more than anything in the world.
I will do whatever I can and whatever I need to do to ensure that I'm standing by my little girl. I had no time to think, no time to question my actions.
By that stage, I think my mind was made up. I caught up with a friend, and he used to work alongside a cancer clinic. He said that there are other options. And he spoke about an amazing clinic he knew of in Mexico. It was called Hope4Cancer. I started researching, I started making the phone calls to this clinic.
Within 2 weeks, I'd booked flights and I'd booked myself into the centre. What I've learnt over the past 4 weeks is incredible. What's offered here is groundbreaking, it's innovative, it is streets ahead of anything that would be offered to me in Australia. There's been nothing unexpected. Everything is transparent here. The staff are incredible. I couldn't have wished for a better medical team to take care of me personally. One of my best friends from Australia came with me, and every afternoon I arrived back at the hotel, she says, I cannot believe how well you look.
After 21 days of treatment, my feet were working completely and utterly. The tumour in my lung had reduced by 50%. The lesion in my liver had reduced in size. I entered the clinic with 7 cancerous lymph nodes in my throat and my neck. I left with just 1 that still had cancer. So 6 had disappeared.
Sometimes I have to remind myself that I have cancer. Sometimes I have to remind myself why I'm in Cancun, Mexico. I am writing a beautiful journal to Annabelle so that when she's adult enough, she can read it and she can understand why I'm here. She's got brown curly hair, big crazy curly hair, and a big smile. Yeah, and she's quite loud, funnily enough. Yeah, I miss her to bits, but the reason I'm here is for her. From the moment I arrived at Hope4Cancer, I knew that they were setting on the right path. I knew that I'd chosen the right direction for me. The hospital have labelled my results as remarkable. They've said that I'm breaking the rules with the results that I'm getting. I think I'm going to live till I'm 90. I have no concerns, no anxiety, no worry at all. I'm getting stronger by the day, I'm getting healthier by the day. This cancer has no chance. I could stay here till 8 o'clock at night if I could. You know, please give me those treatments, the therapies, the IV injections, because I know every single one of them is helping me heal. That there is hope when you're in this situation. I honestly believe this clinic has saved my life.